For in 1 BSCT beta-lactams plus streptomycin plus chloramphenicol plus tetracyclines rapid test for milk. Test preparation. Get the kit from refrigerator and allow the test tube warm up to room temperature. Let the milk sample warm up to room temperature before testing. Connect the incubator, set the incubation time and incubation temperature, wait until the temperature has stabilized at 40 ± 2 Celsius. Turn on the BioQuick reader, log in the account. Choose Test Strip as test mode. Select the test type and test item of the test strip. Click out and place the test slot into it. Test procedure. Take required number of microwells from test tube. Mix milk sample well to be homogeneous before testing. Pipette 200 microliter milk sample into the reagent microwell and mix well by pipetting up and down 5 to 10 times. Incubate 5 minutes at 40 ± 2 Celsius. Take required number of test strips from test tube. Insert the test strip into the microwell after first incubation. Incubate another 7 minutes. After incubation, take out the test strip from the microwell and remove the sample pad at the lower end. Result interpretation. Read by reader. Click out and place the test strip into the strip slot. Click read and the instrument will interpret the result in 10 seconds and the result will show on the screen. If print automatically is checked, the result report will be printed automatically. Result interpretation. Read by eyes. Check whether the top control line is present. If there is no visible C line, the test is judged as invalid. If there is normal C line, compare the color intensity of test line and C line. If test line is darker than the control line, then the sample is considered to be negative, which means the sample contains no antibiotics or contains antibiotics at lower than the detection limits. If T line is equal to the C line, then the sample is considered to be weak positive, which means the milk sample contains antibiotics close to the detection limits. If T line is lighter to the C line, then the sample is considered to be positive, which means the milk sample contains antibiotics above the detection limits. Your food safety concern, our dedication.